In this short video, I'm going to show you how to create a course management website using Google Sites. First, I'm going to open up a new browser window and I'm going to go to drive.google.com. And I'm going to go to my Google Drive and I'm going to log in using my FDCC email address and password. So I put my email address in and now I'm going to put my password in. Once I get to my drive, I'm going to go to New, down to More, and I'm going to find what says Google Sites. And when I get into my Google Sites, I automatically have a site that's been created for me, and it allows me to add content. It says use the insert menu to add your content. You can move content, change the size, and crop images. I can go on a tour and it shows me I can move things around, I can work with others, and I can publish it so others can see it. So here's my Google site, and my page title is going to be Digital Imaging. And my site name up here is going to be Digital Imaging. I can add a logo if I want. I can select from some that are here. Or I can paste an image to a URL. So I'm going to go ahead and I just went rafting down the San Juan River. So I'm going to find an image of it. And I'm going to view the image. There's the image URL, so I'm going to copy it. I selected it and I copied it. I'm going to paste it. And I'm going to select it. So now I have a little logo next to it. I have the ability to change my header type. So right now it's a banner. I can make it a title or I can make it a large one. And here I'm going to go ahead and I can put a text box on here. So this is where you can say, welcome to my digital imaging course management website. My name is Dawn and I will teach at FDCC. I am the program director for graphic design and web technology. So I could keep adding things. I could add an image. I can delete things. I can add hyperlinks. If I want to add an image, I just click on this little image here, and I can again add an image that I have on my computer. I can change the font of this. I can change it to the title of it. I can link to things. And then up here, I've got themes. I'm using the simple one, but if I wanted to change to a level, and I can change the color of it, which is just changing the line there. I could change to the vision. However you want to change your template, you can. Then you have pages. So this is my home page, but if I want to add a new page, I want to add one called Labs. And I want to add another page called Projects. So those are the 3 pages you need to have. On each of your pages, you need to have an image and you need to have text. So if I want to put an image here, I could go to Google and let's see if I go to here, I can screenshot this little image. And so I can go back and insert an image. I can go here's a picture of my daughter. I'll just put that one up. And I'll put it right there. You can move things around a little bit. And so now you can see that I added more pages. I have a navigation bar up here, so I have my home and I can go to my labs. And then on this page, I can insert a text box and I can give that generic statement. This is where I will be posting my lab assignments. And then I can add an image here as well by clicking on the image. I can go to my projects page and I can make a blank text box. This is where I will be placing my projects. Now, I'd like you guys to spend a little bit more time on this, checking out the themes, adding some pictures, telling us a little bit about yourself. I'm going to have a course management home website on our Eagle Online, and that is where you can get to everybody's digital portfolio. So when you're done, you're going to publish it. And it says, who can visit my site? Anyone on the web. Site location is going to be, I'm going to call this Dawn. So it's going to be sites.google.com, fecc.edu, and I'm just going to call mine Dawn Rauscher. So probably if you just use your name, that will work. So this right here is going to be my website address once I've published it. So I'm going to go ahead and publish. And once I've done that, if I open up a new tab, I should be able to go to that website address and see my website. So that takes me to my website. From there, what you guys can do is on our course website, I have a form for you to fill out. And that form asks for the website address, which is going to be sites.google.com, fecc.edu/ and then whatever you name your site as. Now this site will always be available back in your drive. So once you create that and you go to your drive, this digital imaging right here, you can see it's today is a Google site that I just created, which is here. So you can always go back in and edit it. This is where you're going to turn in all your assignments, and I will show you how to do that in videos after when we're ready to turn things in. So this video should teach you how to create your course management website, and you're going to take that website address and that's what you're going to submit onto the form right here that I've made that looks like this. This is the form you guys have. So you'll put your name, your first name, last name, and your website address, which will look like that. And then there's a spot for a class picture, and this class picture is going to be the picture that appears when I click on your website address. So it does not necessarily have to be a picture of you, but it's a picture that's going to represent you. And once you do that, you press submit, and then I should have your course management website address, and I should be able to grade your first assignment.